This is a travesty now today. I was told, as you know, by Judge Cregan just a matter of weeks ago that I was to be in here for life, that I was going to be behind these bars until I broke. But now today we have a different story. I'm coming out here, no sense to it, no reason to it. This is the same judge who said I would never get out, no Christmas holidays, no Easter holidays, and now I'm being released and there's no sense to it at all. And of course, the worst part of this is that I'm not being given back my job. I'm not being embraced back at Wilson's Hospital School today. The judge isn't saying put him back in his classroom where he belongs. It's a quick fix. It's just a quick effort by Judge Cregan to relieve his own conscience. And you know, I was thinking as I sat on that bed a few minutes ago of those words, to none will we sell, to none will we deny or delay right or justice. That's what the Magna Carta said 800 years ago. But you know, that's what we have here today. It's just another delay. You know, it's putting you out on the street. It's putting you out for putting them in, putting them out again, but no deliverance of right or justice by our courts. I have a right to say I cannot call a young boy gay. I have a right to do that. I have a right to my Christian belief, as does everyone in this country, but it's not been given to us. Instead we have this today, and I would say simply today, this is a trap by Judge Cregan. It's a stitch-up, letting me out. Judge Cregan knows well where I will be tomorrow. He knows I'll be at my workplace. He knows I'm employed there, I'm a teacher, that I'm a man of principle and that I do my duty. But he's letting me out because he sees the public mood changing to curry a little bit of favour for himself.